How would you like up to 20% down payment assistance when buying your home? Yes, you heard me right, 20% down payment interest. That could eliminate PMI and save you tens of thousands of dollars. My name's Anthony Montra. I'm one of the co-founders here at Kindred and Director of Marketing, and I have some great news for potential home buyers. Look, you're getting this because either you're a past client, you're a friend or a family that we care about, or you've reached out to us at some point, either via online or gave us a call with interest in real estate. The state of California, beginning on Monday, is going to accept applications for a program we have never seen before. That is a 20% down payment assistance program. The state will put down 20% of the home's value for you, eliminating PMI. This is an equity share proposition by the state of California, and it's very, very limited. They're just opening up applications on Monday, and the general belief is it's going to be completely out of money, this fund, within 2 weeks. If you're even thinking about purchasing a home anytime soon, give us a call. I have the phone numbers right down there. Just give us a call. We'll give you the details of it, and we'll set you up with our preferred lender to get you qualified. Thanks so much. Have a great weekend.